If you are looking for a great gift for guys that have everything, kind of want to treat them to some luxury and they wouldn't necessarily treat themselves to, you're going to want to check out this luxury grooming kit. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it, answer all your questions. So let's take a look what is exactly inside. So it comes in this nice little gift box here. So this would be easy to wrap too if you wanted to wrap it or even put it in a gift bag. It'd fit perfectly in a gift bag. That is not necessarily, this is a really nice box in general. It's going to come with a carrying case, which everyone wants to know. It's going to come with a beard straightener. So you just plug this in, turn this on, and you can straighten your beard, which is cool. Comes with this beard balm right over here. Smells really nice. Which is great. We're going to have the trimmer right over here. Nice little gold trimmer right over here, which is really nice. The power button is going to be right down here. If you wanted to turn that on, you could do that. And it's going to come with some different attachments, which I'll show you in a second. So right over here, we kind of got a little beard. This is the nose trimmer rather. So this is going to help trim your nose, which is your nose hairs, which is nice. It's like kind of like a little thing that you wouldn't buy for yourself, but this is going to be a beard oil right over here. This is going to be a nice little brush right over here. Also comes with a comb as well. This right here I have not used. This is going to be like a barber kind of shawl right over there. And then this comes with all the blades you could possibly need. You got the charger for the razor as well. A nice little brush over here. Really, really nice set. Comes with everything you could possibly need. If you have a beard, I mean, this is perfect for someone. Like the fact that it comes with this carrying case as well. You could just take this stuff with you on the go. And again, comes in a really nice box that you could just literally put a bow on this and it'd be a great gift. So if you're looking for a great luxury grooming gift, definitely check this out.